Today we're installing a TripleSafe and a drain tile system around the perimeter of the home, as well as CleanSpace walls to act as a vapor barrier in half of the basement. This will provide peace of mind for Cassie. This home has been in the family. It was her parents' home, and now she's taking it over, looking to fix some things up, as well as make it a safe home. They've had mold problems in the past, stemming from all the water and moisture issues. We're also looking to solve the air quality problems in the basement. We're installing a SaniDry XP, which is a dehumidifier, as well as air purifier, which will help with the mold spores, keeping the humidity low. My personal way of relating with homeowners, I kind of use my mindset person, which is something we use throughout the company. That would be my grandma. I kind of act as if I'm doing the work in my grandma's house, and I try to leave the home cleaner than when I was there, doing honest work, always just trying to do the right thing when possible. What makes Ayers different from other waterproofing companies would be the level of care for the homeowners as well as for the employees. We try to take it, the extra step anytime we can. We go that extra mile, show that one team effort, as well as, just having quality products, quality installs.